question, they will take the help of the AI.
If you are just going to support AI that much, then
Intelligence,
why
500 crore. The government will
Okay, so don't support.
Operate your one barcode, then it will show
your
on
parents, right? So it comes under the
You will give your OTP, you will give your everything.
Deep fake video, deep fake voice is important role in our life, day-to-day life.
teacher na, and if AI is comes, how can you become?
I think you are not saying good morning. What you are saying? What you said?
good morning.
You are ready? Yes. What we are going to play today? Debate. Yes. But you are not looking active. You are not looking active. Really? So what is the topic today? AI is good or bad. So my dear, today there are the two teams. Prince, show the team, audience. First team, second. So my dear, now audience, my YouTube family, you have seen there are the two teams and they are sitting, boy and girls, and handsome and beautiful. And today we are going to discuss, we are going to debate AI is good or bad. I want to listen 1 or 2 points. And what's your name, ma'am?
Bharti.
Bharti, what are you going to support?
Yes, sir. I'm going to support AI is totally bad.
Really? Why
sir.
it is bad?
Because there is a lot of cyber crimes that are happened through the
now
AI.
I have got a point. AI is bad because crime is increasing. And now I want to know from Gina.
So we are supporting AI is good. Everywhere is AI. If you are searching in any kind of the knowledge internet.
Okay, so my dear, Gina ma'am said AI is good and Bharti is saying AI is not good. So my dear, you will enjoy this video and you will feel entertainment also. So my dear, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Bharat Mata ki?
Yes.
Really, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
You will speak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start.
I'm also good. So I'm supporting that technology means AI is good. So at that time, I'll just tell you that all of you, AI is most important for all of us, for our student life, not only for our student life, for living a life, they need a AI. For example, if I'll take the example of a student, if they need, they will stuck any kind of question, they will take the help of the AI. Apart from it, if they need any kind of suggestion, what they need to do, they can go to the, the chat GPT AI. They can help it easily. They can get the good suggestion. Even if you are a normal person, you are not able to what kind of work it is going on, so you can take the go for the AI, you can take the example. And right now AI market is going on a peak level. That's why AI is literally good. But those person who are don't having a brain, they are not educated, they are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly. We don't have brain. Really? I think you don't have a brain. If you are just going to support AI that much, then why are you doing the job by physically? Just earn the money from the AI. And why you are just studying in this institute, learn the English from AI? Why are you coming here? You need to understand how much cyber crimes are increasing just because of the AI.
Government has something in government budget, in union budget, they are mentioning for artificial intelligence 500 crore. The government will invest in the artificial intelligence. So government they don't have brain. They have brain. That's why they are improving our nation with the help of.
So as you know, our tomorrow is not safe because of AI. Okay, so don't support the AI because our future generation not safe in our hands. So I suggest that AI is banned in India.
So, ma'am, you were saying that AI is banned in India, but AI has a good creator on WhatsApp, Insta, and apart from a Google. On a camera, you can operate your one barcode, then it will show on a website by through the AI.
Okay,
Because
brother. Okay, well said, well said.
Yeah.
So what would you like to say about the scams which is going on? The deepfake scam, have you ever seen? No, I think you haven't seen, that's why you are talking about it. The deepfake call, in the deepfake call, the someone will call you and the someone will talk you in the same voice to your parents, right? So it comes under the scams. Apart from it, the most of the children who are destroying their eyes just because of AI, not
First
because
of all, someone is doing like a cyber camp. So that time he asked for OTP. If you are capable, so if you are educated, so all said, so don't share your OTP and don't share your personal details. If you are foolish, if you are not educated, so yes, you will give your OTP, you will give your everything. It's your department. And what you said, tomorrow is not safe. I think it's not a AI. Tomorrow is no one safe. What is a happen? Tomorrow will happen. Tomorrow will happen.
Siddharth sir,
anything.
she meant
Anything.
that
Anything.
the upcoming generation is
Too much
not safe because of the
feedback.
AI. Because we all know that the AI is being used for the deep fake videos, deep fake voices. You can make your voice change toward the family member, and you can ask YouTube OTP for your family member. That's how the scams
what
work.
are you saying?
And the
What
Ritik
are
sir, you are saying
sir?
that
You are saying
the
foolish.
children is
Sir,
being
what
used
are
the
you
AI.
saying, sir, if you are educated, so definitely you will not give the OPT to another person. And AI plays a very important role in our life. Day to daily life, we are using the AI. You are using the YouTube. You are using the Instagram. You are typing.
I
This
think,
is the AI.
sir,
This
you
is the
are
AI,
too
ma'am.
much foolish. That's why you are saying. And we can see now in India, AI is available. That's why we are getting lazy. And Jeenat ma'am, what you are saying? You want to become a teacher, na? And if AI is comes, how can you become a teacher? First, tell me, na?
Okay, definitely you don't have a brain. What you are talking about, you need to be understand how AIs work. You are talking about the AI is not good for. You are the first one. You are using Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, any kind of thing. How it's work with the help of AI? it's
Okay,
not
bro,
good.
listen,
You
stop
need to
yourself.
understand what a
Stop
product
yourself
AI is
and listen
useful.
me. I will give you an example. You are just eating a sugar and you are thinking it is sweet, but you don't know about the diabetes. If with diabetes you got one time, so you cannot finish. You will not be able to finish it. Diabetes and more than sugar
Every
eating can
sector
be harmful
there
for
is
yourself,
AI. In
can be
teaching
harmful
sector,
for
in
on your
medical
body.
sector, in,
The AI is
in
looking.
transportation sector, there will be AI, and with the help of AI, we are increasing our nations. Make for India and make for the world. We are going in the international level with the help of.
Do you guys even know the name of the creator who created the AI? And you are talking about the AI. What type of people you are
Alan
supporting
Turing,
the AI?
Alan Turing, who made the AI.
I don't know.
I'm
I
saying
don't
who
want
are
to know the
creator
name of that
AI.
person.
Alan Turing. Alan Turing is
I
the
don't want
creator
to know
of
the
AI.
name of that person.
You are asking the who made the AI. Alan Turing. I'm saying Alan Turing.
Where do you using your AI? Where do you using your in your studies? You are making your books in ebook.
I'm
You
using
are making your books
I'm
in
using
ebook.
AI in my studies. Everyone is using AI in his studies. If anyone have a doubt, so they use AI. They don't do the any type of parroting. That parroting make man very lazy. That using the AI, that AI give you very proper solution. You can work on it.
I think AI blocks your mind completely. That's why you are seeing that kind of things here. Just look. What about the girl safety? What about the girl safety? There are a lot of the person who are just doing the
Okay, so ma'am,
wrong
you need
things
to
with
be
their face.
understand if you are a girl, so there is a cyber crime cell as well. You need to update yourself. If you don't have knowledge about it, oh yeah, you are not using the AI. That's why you don't have knowledge about it. Just use AI, then you are able to update yourself. Apart from it, you just government also there is a sector. We can say cyber crime sector. Apart from it, human intelligence as well is there. So is there anything you are not supporting? You are definitely uneducated. You don't have sense about it. How AIs work and how much is it important for our daily life. Even you all are there who are using on a daily basis, but you are not able to accept it because
according to me, AI is bad for us because when I posted any reels on Instagram, so any cybercrime and make a fake videos for girls, and they are very difficulty for girls.
We are AI is best because we are searching a unknown numbers calling. You are searching her name or.
Okay, if AI is good, so take na AI. Why are you taking food? Tell me first. The most of the candidates who have spoken about it, do you don't have a brain? Actually, we don't have brain. We are living without brain, right? And apart from it, the government will spend their least budget to the AI. Why? Just because of government is not promoting it, but government is take care of it.
So that's why you are using a phone. That's why you are using a WhatsApp. Why you are promoting if you want to be a businessman, if you want to promote anything, so why do an advertisement in a WhatsApp, in a Instagram? What are you doing? If you are earning a money, yes, I am taking a food. That's why I'm using a AI. And what you say?
Sir, do you know about the man whose name is Elon Musk? What he said? He said AI can destroy the world in just 1 minute. That kind of things are happened. So that's the reason why we don't want to take the poison by the knowing that internet is a
The
poison.
use of AI, we can make our work easier and faster and accurately. But human cannot do the work the easier and accurately. But AI can do it very performly, very mannerly, and it can do very well. So that our nation will increase and increase day by day. Nowadays, we are increasing artificial intelligence in.
Ma'am, where are you using your AI for teaching purpose?
go
Where are you using your
order to
AI for teaching purpose? I don't know, because most of the students are taking to the online classes, not the AI classes. The AI classes has been not started yet, but the online classes has been started. So you have to understand the thing.
Listen me, what I am saying. Who is saying about AI that AI can destroy our mind? And who is saying saying about the Tesla, that about the Elon Musk? He was saying that the AI can destroy our world in 1 minute. So why the Elon Musk using the AI in his car? Why the Elon Musk using in a Tesla car? Why the Elon Musk is using? Yes, sir. About you are want to open your steel industry business. You can't think in a steel industry business. You don't want to involve the AI. You don't want to involve the AI.
No,
the big
I don't
machines.
want to. I don't want to.
Sir,
involve
you
in
can't
AI
be-
because
you-
I
you
can
can't be
grow
able
with
to-
myself.
you can't be able to
I
live
can
without
grow with
AI.
myself only. I don't need to AI because in the steel and everything there is no need to AI. And second thing is that previous time you can see the metro.
Sir, you were
metro
saying
train,
this.
was running by
Why
the
we
driver.
using Wikipedia
But
and
now
all?
the
Why
metro
we
is not
using share
running by the
marketing? Why we
driver.
trading our share marketing? Because we are invest our money on share marketing. Share marketing will improve day by day. Why it is it is from like accounting sheet we create, we see on a Google in a artificial intelligence.
Please, sir, enough, please, enough. And Seshan, what you are saying, you are learning study with the help of AI. So why are you coming here now? Just learn English with the help of AI, and you can see in a nowadays cybercrime is happening day by day.
Now you enough. And what you said,
So,
if
brother-
you need to have food, so why you are taking a food? Well, yes, we need our AI. That's why I am.
After some time you will say we don't need
You
Jitu
are
sir,
forced.
right?
That's why
Because
you
of
are not
depending
appreciating
on AI.
Because everything having a two faces. AI is too much better.
Brother,
Depend
what
on
I'm
you
saying,
how much you get.
what I'm saying, listen firstly. What I'm saying, listen firstly. After some time, you will say we don't need Jitu sir because we got AI. Through the AI we can learn English, right? Where will you do the practice? Practice without international. I think I'm not hoping to.
Okay, so brother,
speak
we
anywhere.
need physically, but if we need to polish ourselves, if we need to polish our information, if we need to update ourselves, we need AI. You need to be understand about that. You can do study, but how can you able to understand or clarify in yourself I'm right or wrong with the help of the AI? And where is not AI?